Liquid crystal display, also known as LCD. LCD screens are most common used screens in today's world. We can see a lot of LCD screens in computers, TVs, mobile phones, calculators, smartwatches, and so many items. So what is this liquid crystal? Liquid crystal is a state of matter have both property of solid and liquid. So what is the use of liquid crystal? Liquid crystal can rotate the polarization of light. Polarization is the quality of a light. So this liquid crystal helps to rotate that polarization. So when we consider about the light, we know that wave have wave and particle qualities. But in LCD, we just consider about the wave properties only. So when consider about the image, there is a building blocks known as pixel. When we zoom out the image, we can see a little dots or little squares inside this image, or these little squares combine together and show up as the image. So this pixel are the main building blocks of the image. When we consider about the pixel, this pixel has another subpixels, red, green, and blue. These red, green, and blue subpixels can change their value between 0 and 255. By changing their color value, it can show up with another new color, because we know that green, red, and blue are the main colors. By changing their values, they can generate another new color. By generating these colors, we can show up with the various colors that we can see. But there is a problem. How we change these values between 0 and 255? The people come up with the solution, and this solution is very big contribute to the LCD screen. So let's check up with the LCD screen. This figure shows that the behind mechanism of the subpixel of a screen. So we can see the green subpixel in the picture, and the light source, horizontal polarizer, liquid crystal panel, vertical polarizer. When light beam emitted a wave through the horizontal polarizer, it just let to go through the horizontal waves only. So vertical wave have to stop there and just let horizontal wave to go through it, and the horizontal wave go through the liquid crystal panel. And you see in this case, the wave have to stop their path from the vertical polarizer, because the wave is the horizontal and the polarizer is a vertical, so it can't go through it. So the subpixel can't generate any color, because the light beam can't go through the vertical polarizer. So that green subpixel show up with the 0. That 0 means black color. Likewise, we can think about another state. In this case, we can see that the horizontal wave go through the liquid crystal, and we can show that it became a vertical. Because of that, the usage of the liquid crystal, because we know that liquid crystal can rotate the polarization, so that the horizontal wave become a vertical. By polarizing the liquid crystal, we can change that angle or value. So it become a horizontal, it became the vertical. By this, go through the liquid crystal panel. So that helps to that light beam to go through the vertical polarizer, and then it come up with the 255 value. That means green color. It generate that color. By changing the power of the liquid crystal panel, it changes angles and come up with the various numbers. That various numbers help us to generate various colors. Likewise, this green subpixel, we can use this mechanism also in blue and red subpixel also. So this is the main mechanism happening in the LCD screen. So I think you got a big knowledge about the LCD working process, and thank you for watching.